Okay, so working on the M5, trying to get this thing finished up, but there's a lot of other things going on. I gotta keep stopping on it and doing other stuff. So as you know, we got it back from the paint shop. Everything turned out pretty damn good. A couple little smudges here and there, so I just buffed that a little bit. He's supposed to bring it over the wing, but I haven't been home for him to come over here and bring it over. So there is that. Hopefully he comes over tonight and gets that done. It's still got some fingerprints on it and this and that and that and this. A lot of you guys saying in the last video, the emblem's in the wrong spot. No, not according to Google, it's not. I'm spent a lot of time researching that and make sure that I have it in the exact right factory spot, and that is it. So, and other than that, we got our sunroof seal back in. I got the actual factory seal. Has a little tiny seam right there, as it would. And then everything else is laying flat. There's a little spot there that needs to be buffed. And it's a little smudgy, so it needs to be hit with the final stage with a random orbit to get all the smears out of it, right? Also, we did the windshield seal on top here. That's all new OEM. Everything's like it fit up pretty good. And I have the rear glass seal, also OEM. Let's see here. Yep. There you go. If you can see on this camera or not, who knows? So we're going to go and pop that in today. And this thing's almost finished. Now, don't forget, we have to do the throttle actuator. Can't remember the name of the damn thing. Transistor. We have to do that yet. And we have to figure out why we have a random evap code. We have to check those little pumps in the rear fender well. Other than that, this car is getting to be pretty decent. It's probably my most reliable car besides that. That's the most reliable. This is the second run. E90, that's not even close. Everything else is questionable at best. Okay, we working? Yep. We got the head mount on. This is how we're going to do this seal. We're set off here on this side, and it has like a flap. And then it has a groove the window goes in. We're going to go ahead and push it on the window groove first. Like that. And it's just going to roll down inside there like that. Like once you get it started, they go on pretty easy. There you go. So with that windshield seal, they gave me these little plastic spatula looking things here. So let's take this, let's go down in here, and let's give her the old push and make sure we're going to make sure that that's all the way against the windshield. You can see right here, it's not quite all the way in. We're just going to do that and just shove it right in place. I mean, you probably don't have to do that, but I feel like that's definitely the best way to do it. And you're not going to hurt anything by doing that. I mean, for the most part, it's in. Okay, so we've got it all in there. It's ever so slightly on the top shifted over. Now I've already taken it out once, so I put it in. I hate to keep doing that. We're gonna ruin it. I mean, I'm pretty much splitting hairs at this point. The top is slightly like that. You can just barely see it right in the corner. Other than that, everything else is perfect. I'll have to figure out if I want to roll the dice one more time and take it out again or not. I don't know. But we got all the seals in. We do have buffing compound all over this thing. I'm going to have to... I don't want to put any kind of spray wax or anything on it because it's fresh paint. I had to get some kind of detailer or something out, spray detailer, and wipe all that out because it's got buffing compound in the backup sensors and all that stuff. So every little crack and crevice has that in there. That's pretty much gonna be it, guys. Also, the other channel, the Porsche channel, as a lot of you guys that are subscribed to that channel already, I did convert the Toyota channel into the Porsche channel. It is called Nathan's Porsche Workshop. And go stop what you're doing right now. Go over there, subscribe to that channel, because you never know what you're going to see on that channel either. If you know somebody posting for a day or two on this channel, I'll be posting on that channel, and vice versa. Put the link in the description. Like I said, if you guys watch this channel, do me a huge favor. Go down there, click on that link, subscribe to that channel. That will make everything work out for me tremendously. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you very soon. Have a good day.